What's the meaning of Bill of Rights? Bill of Rights. Bill of Rights.
Bill of Rights. Bill of Rights. A Bill of Rights is a document that outlines the fundamental rights and freedoms that are guaranteed to citizens by a government or other authority. Typically, a Bill of Rights will set out specific protections for individual liberties, such as freedom of speech, assembly, religion, and the press. These rights are typically seen as being fundamental to the protection of democracy and individual liberty, and they are often enshrined in national constitutions or other legal documents. In many countries, the idea of a Bill of Rights has played a key role in the development of democratic institutions and the protection of individual freedoms and human rights.